बेसिक टूल जो आज हम यूज करेंगे, वी विल बी यूजिंग बेसिक शेप्स जो हमारे पास रेक्टेंगल टूल and ellipse tool and this polygon tool. These three tools which are given to us, these three shapes we will be using, plus यहाँ पे free hand tool है, इनको use करेंगे and we will be making simple basic logos. For example, if I have to start with any shape, I have started with the rectangle. So this is a rectangle and then I have taken a circle, right? And when I draw a circle over this, I have drawn a circle. Now go to first tool, which is pick tool. I am placing this over this. आपको ये जो शेप नजर आ रही है, now what I want is I want something which is combined in this way. अब दोनों को सिलेक्ट किया, जब मैंने ये दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स को सिलेक्ट किया, just you have to see in this property bar. Property bar में क्या हुआ है? You will see there are so many options which is like weld and then trim, and this is intersect. This is another option, simplify. This will front minus back, back minus front, and then this create boundaries. So what these things will do, ये मेरी इन दोनों इमेज को जो भी मैं कमांड दूंगी उसके हिसाब से it will convert my image into that. Suppose if I select this first one, see what has happened to it. It has become a new shape which is welded. Is it clear? I can fill any color in it and then you can see. Again, I'm repeating, if we are just taking any two shapes, this is one shape. Again, I'm taking second rectangle only. You have to just draw it somewhere else first. And then I'm going to place it over this, right? And with the help of first tool, pick tool, I will select both the objects. The moment I select both the objects, this property bar changes and it shows me this option. This is combine, this is weld, right? If I say combine, now see what has happened. These two objects have combined. And when you fill color, one color will get filled in both. And how this, see how they have combined? Wherever they were intersecting, that path has combined and the center has become blank, right? Now what I can do is I can put any other एक और ऑब्जेक्ट लेके, अगर मैं इसके नीचे सिमिलर शेप का ऐसे रख के, and then I can fill another color in it, so this will give me a 3D effect. क्लियर हो गया ये क्या हुआ हमारा, कंबाइन से कैसी शेप चेंज हुई? Now see the next option. This is one shape. Again, I am taking another shape. If I place this over this, and then with the help of pick tool, I can select both. There are two options. Either I can drag a window and make a window around both the objects and select them, or there's another option to select both the objects. I'm clicking on one object. When it gets selected, then hold shift key and click on second object, right? So now both are selected. This is one method of selecting both objects, and another method is by pick tool you can draw a window around both the objects. Now when these two objects are open, only then property bar shows a changes. So now intersect, what will the intersect do? If I click this, see what has happened. Look at this, जो मेरी जहां पे ये intersect कर रहा था, the circle was going out, it has, see, it has given me a new shape, whereas my previous two shapes are already there. But what I have got is I have got another shape which was intersecting at those points. Intersects. Again, I am placing it over here. Select both the objects and go to intersect. Intersect. See, both the objects will be there, but the intersection of those two will give me another shape. However, this shape and this shape, they are already there. But I have got a new shape from this. Whatever shape I want, I have got this new shape. So this is the function of intersect. Next, we are going to take another shape. I can work on the side. This is my workspace. On the side area, I can always work. But I've told you, if you want a printout, we have to just keep everything on this paper. Whatever is finalized, we are going to place it on the paper. But I can always work on the sides. This is my workspace. So now next option would be pick tool, select, and there will be back minus front minus back. So when we do this is front minus back, right?
Yes,
Control
ma'am.
Z. I'm repeating this with the back minus front. Now this is back minus front. So now we have covered this weld option. What does welding do? Welding helps in all these जो हमारे पास property bar में after selecting the two images, we can combine them, we can weld them, we can intersect them, we can trim them. So this help in getting a new shapes which are useful for making a logo. This is the circle. I just want to make another circle inside it which is little smaller than it. So for that, I will be duplicating this circle, or I will be making a copy of it. If I duplicate, it will be placed little bit away from the original one. If I copy paste, it will be placed exactly on the circle where it is presently. Just see the difference. If I say Control D, Control D has duplicated the circle, but it is placed at the little difference. And when I keep on repeating Control D, it will be there will be even distance between the thing, right? So this is Control D. But if I copy paste a circle, see this is a circle, copy, Control C, Control V. Now I have two circles here. How it will be clear? Now I'm pressing a shift key and I'm just dragging it inside. And when I release, so you can see there were two circles. One is already there and the another has come inside. Clear? If we fill the color in it, so there is another color in the center. For filling the color in the outside, I have to click the outside. So now I have two circles. Clear? अब इसमें भी we have another, then we can have those options. अभी हमने जो पीछे की है, if I select these two and if I say combine, so what will happen if I say combine? Combine will remove the color from the center. Now this will become a ring. So it is an open ring. If I just take it anywhere, so the lower part will be, this part is visible. Is it clear? So how these things are, जो अभी ऊपर आपके जो tools किए उन्हीं में से use किया है. Polygon shape, right? We have, when I open up this, whenever there is a triangle at the base of this जो इसमें boxes है tools की box पे, whenever there is a corner पे जहाँ पे triangle बना है, that means you go to triangle, it will give me another or more options about this tool. It gives me more options. See, wherever I'm going, it's giving me more options. So this also have 4-5 options. If I go to first one, the first one will be displayed here, and if I select any one spiral, then spiral will be displayed here. But if any other tool is selected, that will be visible here. So I am going to start with the polygon. Polygon shape is again, it's a polygon as the name suggests. Sides which are more, we have more sides. It can be 3. We can start with 2 से नहीं होता, 2 से line नहीं आएगी. इसे start कर सकते हैं. So it is, we have a triangle. If we say 4, we'll get diamond. If we have 5, it will give me another shape. If I say 6, I'll get this. 7. You keep on changing the number of points, and it will keep on giving me different shapes. I just wanted to see, there is one ऐसा एक logo होता है, उसमें Control C, Control V, I'm saying, and I'm just taking it to the half. इसमें center में आ गया. Again Control C, Control V. Now I'm again moving to the center. Now, how many objects are there? We have 4 triangles. I have kept how many? This is one, and if I select this is another rectangle, right? If I select this is another rectangle. समझ आ रही है? Placed one over the other. These are all different. We have this and we have this. आपको it is very much clear कि there are different rectangles. Now if I combine, if I selected all this, now what I want to do is I want to intersect. Intersect में I have got intersections. Intersect करके इसका मुझे अगर मुझे 1/4 चाहिए था तो मुझे इसका 1/4 बॉक्स वैसे ही उसको इंटरसेक्ट करके I have got this intersection वाला इसका पॉइंट मिल गया, राइट? Logos are very simple so that they can be stretched to any size. बहुत simple होते हैं with the geometrical shape, basic shapes, और जिसमें थोड़ी सी curved shapes होती है, they are also very simple. For geometrical shapes, you have to just find out the logos. So by using these commands, you are going to recreate those things. I think this is enough for today.